In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a follow button to your Facebook page. This feature is a great way to increase your reach and connect better with your audience, allowing them to engage with your content more easily. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Just type in www.facebook.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll be on the main page of Facebook. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you into your personal profile space. Next, once you're on your profile page, you'll want to locate your username or account name displayed on the screen. Click on that name to proceed to your profile in more detail. While you're in your profile space, you will see three little dots aligned alongside your account name. Click on these dots. This will open a menu where you can manage various settings related to your profile. From this menu, you should see an option that says Turn on Professional Mode. Go ahead and select that. This step is crucial because activating Professional Mode will allow you more control and visibility over your page. After clicking on that, you will get a prompt to turn on. Click on the button that appears. This will enable the Professional Mode on your profile. It's a simple click, but an essential part of making changes to your Facebook setup. Once you've turned on Professional Mode, you may encounter a quick onboarding process with a few windows or pop-ups that welcome you. The good news is, you can skip them. Just keep clicking the next button until you've flown through 4 to 5 of these tabs. It won't take long. After you've breezed through those, you should finally see the option to click on Done. Hit that button, and now you're officially set to access the professional dashboard. Next, you'll want to click on Go to Professional Dashboard. This option is where the magic happens, as it bridges you to the features available to you in your Professional Mode profile. After entering the dashboard, you're halfway there. It's time to turn our attention back to your profile. Click on the same 3 dots you clicked earlier. This time, though, you're going to select the option View As. This option allows you to see how your profile appears to other users. As you do this, keep an eye out for the Follow button, which should now be visible to others who visit your page. It's that straightforward. Now your audience can easily follow you, staying updated with your posts, pictures, and any news you share in the future. This Follow button serves as an excellent tool for increasing your engagement and presence on the platform. And that's it! You've successfully added a Follow button to your Facebook page. Easy, right? Just remember, making your Facebook page accessible and engaging can make all the difference in how connected your audience feels to your content. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating your social media platforms. I'm here to help you optimize your online presence, so stay tuned for our next video.